हट हो गया।
देखो इधर भी है ये स्केच
नहीं चुप रहो नन्ही। हैं? क्या?
Thank you so much. We need that please.
Yeah, but I don't think their voice can be heard.
No, you can hear it. It's here. My grandfather sent me from the 10th block because we can hear it from the 8th floor.
No, in this video, it won't be that clear.
Do you want me to go record it for you?
Yeah, I just hope they don't snatch the phone.
I won't snatch the phone. I won't let them.
This person should not be seen here. This person should not be seen here. This is the other person.
What was happened, I don't know now who is this. But in between, don't bring the religion. That is very wrong.
Okay.
It is very wrong.
Okay, I apologize.
Yes, okay, please.
I apologize.
We are leaving that issue. Please don't bring any
Keep that aside. Completely keep that aside.
Clear cut.
Someone please take the notes. Someone please take the video. Someone please take the video, please.
I'm
Okay,
taking
good.
one.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
My phone has been
Bring in more chairs.
by this guy.
Please
so
bring
I
in more
cannot-
chairs.
अरे मेरा चेयर मेरा फोन तोड़ दिया साले ने।
Salma madam, take the chairs, please. For all of us. We will all talk together. Bring chairs.
Keep it saved, okay?
I will. Don't worry. It's just that this phone belongs to that lady. I'm sorry. My grandfather sent me from the 10th block because we could hear everything. I'm sorry this happened to you. You deserve better.
I have the pictures. Come on, you shit anybody. I have the pictures of president.
Be little behind, otherwise they will take your phone and break it as well.
Okay.
They broke my phone.
Really?
I am pretty sure. We called the police already. What exactly? We called the police already. Police have come. They have case against this guy.
The water is very muddy, and he said, "I'm nobody to talk about. Don't get out of the house." And he said, "I will not go until unless this is solved." He took a ceramic cup and threw it on him. Then I said, "Don't do it."
From this range.
And when I said, "Don't do that," because I was trying to,
force.
I was trying to,
Somebody has
And
the
that
pictures
was
also.
just 2 feet.
Yeah,
far.
from here to
just
here.
2 feet far.
And when I was trying to say that
Good for you.
he took a cup and threw it on me, and he broke my phone.
Hey, take care of
Bloody mad guy.
He broke his knee. I don't know. But he hurt himself.
Okay.
Are you all right, Sisha?
I'm good, sir. Physically, I'm good, but mentally, I'm extremely harassed.
We are sitting here. Don't worry. Relax. We will settle the matter. Then only we will go from here.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Please don't worry. Please relax. What is happening? All right. You also sit.
Excuse me, uncle. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sure, please.
Thank you.
What was happening?
So, I will start from the beginning. What I was telling Mr. Srinivas, very gently. I'll tell you what all happened.
Thank you. Excuse me.
I'll take you back into history. 1857, British was ruling India, and Indian soldiers were serving in the British army. And the British purposely put cow fat on the cartridges. Soldiers had to take the cartridge off with the teeth. Mangal Pandey refused to do that. That was the mutiny, the beginning of the mutiny. In my flat, the cartridge episode happened. Because of water mismanagement by the township management and Mr. Srinivas, who is in charge of water supply, there was flooding in my house because the 501 people, they left the tap open because they did not know when the water was going to come. There was no communication, there was no ownership, there was no responsibility. The water seeped in electricity connection overhead lamp. The wall could have electrocuted, my daughter could have died. She is a young daughter, she doesn't know where to touch, where not to touch. Water seeped in my kitchen. I had kept quiet. 1 week before this incident, this entire group had gathered here. We begged to meet Mr. Srinivas. He hung up on us. He hung up on him. He hung up on me. He hung up on Sohini. We went to his place. It was locked. No ownership. No communication. All you do is paste one A4 size sheet that you don't care on all the blocks. What are we supposed to do? Diwali night, block 37 and 36. Residents, stupid people attacked a couple. They had to leave the township and stay with their friends on Diwali night. No intervention by management. You don't know?
You don't even know.
All your security. Awesome, very good. Vice President of RTB does not know about security.
Actually, you know one thing, in the block, securities are always
Wait, I have not finished. No.
Okay.
I will talk.
Let don't talk in between. You only talk. Let don't talk in between. You only talk. Okay.
Thank you for
Summer of 2015, several blocks got pit water
I'm scared.
that had sewage water in their drinking pipelines. No ownership, no responsibility, no communication. Without communication, without any provocation, increased water charges. We paid. I have paid every single penny on time. Check your records in 2008. Do I deserve to suffer like this? Nobody should suffer. We have Sujay Sharma. There are so many people who have come up with suggestions, requests. You dissolve the water committee. Why? Your stupid bylaws don't allow it. Change the bylaws. We are ready to take ownership. We are ready to work. We are ready to help this community. Now I'll tell you what happened inside. I was telling everything. Ma'am started to talk. She started to record, like these people are recording. Your gentleman Swami Shri Srinivas stood up, and I'll show you what he did. Get out! That's what he does to a lady. And he cursed in Telugu. Is this the way to behave like a gentleman with a lady? What did she do? She had not spoken a single word. Is this the way you will behave with your residents? And your excuse is, this is a voluntary position. Your excuse is, we have our own work. Your excuse is, we don't get paid.
Yes. Office. Morning.
I stopped recording. Now understand one thing. He broke my phone. He threw a ceramic cup on him. When he threw it on him, he got...
This is what he threw at my head.
And your phone was broken. WAO.
Oh yes, darling,
Picked up
it
a
is.
chair.
WAO office
He
phone.
picked up a chair and threw against him. You know that? The chair is still there. I have taken the picture of the chair. He picked up the chair and threw against him. Is this the president? Is he the president? Is he a
When he
gentleman
did that,
president?
he did it
No,
first.
good, then a
Record
local
it.
Mawali.
He did it first. Then he hit him back. I went inside and said, "Sir, please stop your security. They're pushing." He picked up another ceramic cup and threw it in me.
From the inside of it.
2 marks today.
This distance. If I take a
I
ceramic
just
cup and I
moved
throw it at
aside,
you.
Otherwise, it would have hit my face and I would have chopped your head. You understand?
This is kind of...
मेरे मुंह पे लगता, मेरा चेहरा खराब होता ना, मैं तो जान से मार देती आपके स्वामी को.
नहीं ना हमारा भी नहीं है सबका
Hello.
भी है ठीक है
नहीं हमारा स्वामी नहीं है.
हमारा नहीं है.
हमारा
He is not
नहीं
our
है.
president.
He is not even our president.
He cannot be our
He's a
president.
stupid asshole guy.
Be clear on that.
this was a
So our request to you is, to the management, please please own things here. Please show some ownership. You can't wash your hands off under the garb of the bylaws. We pay you. If you can't manage, please appoint paid employees to manage this. This is a huge township, 37 blocks, 5,000 families. It is inhuman to manage for one team of 4 people. We don't expect you to do that. Seek help. We are here to help. Involve residents. Don't discriminate between tenants and owners. We are not going to eat this tenement.
That is what he was asking. When he started talking,
He
started, are you tenant owner? We said we are residents. No, are you tenant or owner? He said we are owner. And then he said, very good, everybody is owner here.
That's why we said we are all owners.
This summer you started.
We are residents. We are paying equally. What owners are paying?
This summer,
equal.
This summer you started collecting extra money on water charges. Where is the accountability? Did you publish that on extra fees for collected toward water charges, this was the amount collected, this was the amount spent? No records. We have spent a lot of time with Sarla ma'am. She should be the president. She understands.
She helped the other day.
She
when we
helps.
were here.
She
called
cares.
Tankers. We call the tankers, water tankers. We picked up.
She
the
has
tankers.
the information.
And she called up the tankers at the night.
The
10 o'clock.
township management has no information on who are the tanker vendors, what are their timings, where do they source their water from. No idea.
I'll tell you one more thing.
Manjeera.
We called Bhaskar the other day.
They get them from
He
the
said
Manjeera
just because of
borewell.
200 rupees extra, they didn't call these 16 tankers that day. They called only 5 tankers in 5 blocks because there was a negotiation going on for 200 rupees. Bhaskar, call the Bhaskar, he will tell you. Call this guy Bhaskar. Just for 200 rupees. 2,800 was the price. These guys were paying. The other guy was charging 3,000 because of the crisis. Just because of 200 rupees, he didn't pay. These guys didn't take the decision because of 200 was charged extra.
Sarla knows everything.
Crisis day.
We didn't do this out of the blue. We have tried every democratic way.
knows more than the president.
Now you have explained. Okay. So,
And tell me one thing. Now I have one serious question. Why the hell you guys are not on email? Why do you want to print A4 papers and paste it all over?
okay, that is the different thing. Now,
Okay, if you know all these things, then why we had to do all these things? Why the actions has not been taken?
let it is not the way.
That's really
Let
harsh.
one by one what we are trying. See, you have explained what was happened now. Let me listen his version also. Call him. Please come up.
Swami,
Please come up.
Swami Shri Srinivas, come here.
come here, आइए sir. Please do come.
Wait. Madam,
पैर पढ़ूं मैं आपकी? मैं मार खाई हूँ ना, तो पैर तो पढ़ना चाहिए ना मुझे.
madam, please.
And he will
When
not talk in
when
Telugu.
your daughter will
We
get
don't
it, I will understand.
He is a language problem.
See,
He can talk in Rashtra Bhasha.
no.
हिंदी में तो बात कर सकते हैं.
तो फिर इतने बड़ी जगह पे वो कर क्या रहे हैं?
Don't assume that all people know Hindi.
Please. It is not the so, no, madam.
Can I trust you as a
Some limit.
translator?
Rambabu is there.
I won't let him hurt.
Madam, please. Okay. Sir, whatever they have told, మీరు అన్నారు కదా వాళ్ళు మీరు కొట్టారంట.
వాళ్ళే నా మీదకి వచ్చారు. నేను ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, ఆయన ఫోన్ చేశాను.
ఇంకా ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? మన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు ఉన్నారు?
సాయి గారు ఉన్నారు,
సాయి ఉన్నారా?
అందరూ ఉన్నారు.
మరి ఏది సాయి? వేరే సాయి.
కెమెరాలు ఆపేమరు, ముందు కెమెరాలు ఆపేమరు.
So far he has told the truth. He is talking about the camera.
Yeah.
So good. I am happy that he is
He is telling to stop the cameras.
And it's
Why? Why? What is the big fear?
Are you scared?
No,
but still, everybody, wait! I stopped. You understand? You don't, right? Are you illiterate or what?
Please, madam. Please don't cross our
Didn't I
limits.
stop?
Please, don't cross our limits, please.
Didn't I stop?
Please, don't cross our limits.
Wait, he
Please,
broke my phone. Are you going to buy me a
We
phone?
will pay for that.
I
If it was
have
broken,
a
he has to pay.
15,000 rupees phone. Are you
See,
going
he
to
has
buy
to
me
pay.
that?
If it is broken, he has to pay. Please control yourself. Please.
इससे मैंने फोन तोड़ दिया.
Please, if he has broken, he has to pay. He will pay it. Please.
The recording
no,
will
please.
not stop.
Recording, nobody will stop.
Cameras
Please
on
go
this
ahead,
guy
yeah.
because he
Who
has
has
a lot
told?
of
When he spoke,
See, he has
recorded.
he has
When
spoken
he
in
will
Telugu. I have
stop,
translated
Get a
it.
better
Okay.
So if it is
That's
getting
what.
recorded, no problem. Then what is the problem
Now, if
there?
there is no problem, then what was the problem inside? Now, if you are okay with everybody recording, what was the problem inside?
You know this recording will go to
That is the only thing that caused the problem.
I will put it in media. I'm telling you.
ఏం జరిగింది?
వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, నేను వెళ్ళలేదు అసలు. నేను కుర్చీలో కూర్చొని ఉన్నాను. అక్కడ జరిగింది ఏంటంటే ఆయన ఫోన్ చేశాను. మెయిల్ పెట్టాడు కదా అని మెయిల్ టేబుల్ మీద ఉంటే చూసి ఫోన్ చేశాను. ఫోన్ చేస్తే ఆయన నాకు ఆయనంతగా ఆయన వచ్చాడు. ఆయన వచ్చి ఆయనతో పాటు వీళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చారు. వస్తే ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఆ స్వామి వచ్చి వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ స్టాప్ అన్నారు. నేను చేయను అంది. అయితే మీరు బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోండి. తర్వాత ఆయన మీదకి వచ్చాడు, మేము ఆయన నా మీదకి వచ్చాడు, తోసుకున్నాం. జరిగింది అది ఇద్దరు అంతే జరిగింది. వాళ్ళు ఇష్టం వచ్చాడు, నోటికి ఇష్టం వచ్చాడు, వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడారు. నేనే వాళ్ళే వేసాను.
చెప్పండి ఏం చెప్పేది వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది కాంట్రవర్సీ ఉంది.
వాళ్ళు అంతమంది నా మీదకి వచ్చారు కానీ నేను వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళలేదు కదా, ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చింది వాళ్ళు.
Okay, silence. Vishwam is translating. Go ahead.
See, when you guys entered, maybe first you
ముందు రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఆయన ఫోన్ చేస్తే
what he was saying is first you guys approached him like this.
అసలు వీళ్ళకి ఏం పని అసలు ఇస్తారు పని.
I'm sorry, sir. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This what he saying is lying.
No, I'm sorry.
Go in front of their face and record.
No, zoom it, no? It's okay.
Zoom it.
You can zoom it.
So he started
Zoom that,
slapping.
guys.
He started
I have
slapping
to
him.
put it on
He started
NDTV.
throwing chairs and the mugs.
All right.
And threw his phone as well, her phone as well.
Final sir, he is also there at that time. He is there.
He was there half the time.
Then he went
And he went out.
Then he went out when he.
Didn't want to be touched. He went out.
वो चुपचाप से निकल
Which
गए,
is good,
जैसे
which
फाइट
is
स्टार्ट
good.
वो चुपचाप से निकल गए. ये सब वहाँ पर तो इन्होंने मारना शुरू कर दिया. Literally उन्होंने मारना शुरू कर दिया. I was there. I protected him with him. Otherwise ये इन्होंने और भी मारा होता. चेयर उठा के मारा इन्होंने. Come on, think about it. This guy. चेयर नहीं है. जाके कोई भी जना जाके चेयर देख लो, अभी भी ऐसी पड़ी है. Anybody can go and check the chairs. Those chairs are still there. If you want, go and see the chairs which he picked up and threw.
He was beating,
Yeah.
is it?
He was beating. He bet him.
Show the cup. Show the cup.
I have the photograph. I have the photograph. I can show you guys.
Ceramic
cup. Ceramic cup.
मेरे सर पे मारा सर.
सिर पे मारा. सिर पे मारा है
No,
boss.
that is the.
Chair उठा के पिटक रहे हैं. When I said stop it, he put a throw up on me. If I would not have shifted out, it would have hit my head.
I've got a video of 17
I come
minutes.
from Anna Hazare
Got a video of
land. I am going to
17
start my
minutes.
hunger strike at 6 p.m.
Yeah.
मैं मर गया तो इनका नाम तो डाल दिया मैं.
No. Here. Yeah. Since the whole allegations first started coming up.
No problem which there is no solution in the world.
So
So how come there is no solution for so many days?
It will be there. Don't worry.
अरे कब सर मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा तब
नहीं,
क्या
आप बूढ़ा
फायदा?
होने की जरूरत नहीं है. अभी इसमें देखो.
या तो फिर आप
Out
मर
of the
जाओगे.
9, please. Out of the members.
मेरा गलती नहीं है, आपकी तो गलती।
Now he understands Hindi.
अब हिंदी समझ में आ
आप
गया।
हिंदी आ रहे समझ में. अब आ रहे हिंदी समझ में. मेरा गलती है.
अच्छा बोलेगा।
अभी तक तेलुगु चल रहा है.
सोलो को बुलाओ, अभी निकलेगी हिंदी। बुलाओ पुलिस वालों को।
1 hour I have been
सब
trying
हिंदी
to
निकलती है।
communicate with this guy. He said Hindi Radu, and now all of a sudden you know Hindi. I'm
To
sure
talk
he
to
can
your
speak.
people, you know Hindi. To talk to us, you don't know Hindi.
Now he can speak in Spanish as well. I'm sure. You know French, Tamil, Sanskrit. What? Now you can look at me like this
Okay,
when you're
sir.
throwing
We
the money.
told you our
Remember?
problem statement. We are here to help. What is the solution are you proposing?
अभी Spanish बोलेगा देखो.
Now you know this total water. See, the department has been.
Forget the water. First you tell me what I'm going to do with this. He broke my phone.
Yeah, that will come to you.
We will come to that.
We will come to the point.
RTP will pay for it. Okay. If they break it, they pay for it.
RTP will pay for water.
Don't make suggestions you cannot keep.
No, RTP will not pay. He will not pay. He will pay. He threw. No RTP. It's our money. It's our money. We will not pay. He will pay. He will compensate. Not RTP. No management. He.
वही
अरे ये देगा, ये पैसा ये देगा, हम लोग नहीं देंगे. We will not pay. Not from RTP budget. Not from RTP budget. Full stop.
RTP funds से उठा के
నేను అప్పుడే బయటకు వస్తాను, నన్నే కట్అవుట్ అన్నారు. వదిలేండి ఇంకా అన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే నేను ఉన్నప్పుడు ముందు ఇద్దరు ముందు చేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఫైటింగ్ అంతా చేసుకున్నారు, ఇద్దరు కొట్టుకున్నారు, అయిపోయింది. కింద పడగొట్టి నేను పడగొట్టే నన్ను
Can
అయిపోయింది
you speak in Hindi? Even he understands.
I understand.
We do not understand what you're saying.
I'm talking to him. ఏమండి?
We need to be able to understand what really happens. So I just
సో
wanted to
అయిపోయాక
make an
ఎందుకు
idea.
కూర్చుని మాట్లాడకుండా అన్నా సరే ఇంకా చాలా స్పీడ్ అయ్యింది ఓవర్. అది ఇష్యూ ఏంటో క్లోజ్ చేసుకోండి బెటర్. అది ఇట్స్ ఓవర్ బెటర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఇష్యూ? వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్?
I made my problem statement.
Yes,
I am ready to help. You will make a solution statement.
Definitely regarding the water session.
సెక్యూరిటీ అనుకుంటూ మన
వాటర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
Please leave it. First, let me explain the water position. What is the today's position, what we are facing, and what they are distributing. This exclusive, please listen me. This entire water in charge is Mr. Mandava. Okay, under his leadership only the water distribution and everything is going on. Because due to the shortage of the members, we have bifurcated the portfolios. Okay, so regarding the water, he is only the in charge, and I will request him what is today's position, and it will be continued. Not only as total Hyderabad we have problem, right?
No.
No. Okay. If it is not, okay. Only. Okay. If it is there, okay, all right. As far as our knowledge is concerned, from past 1 month, Hindu is regulated the water supply. Okay. Morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour. It is the thing going on everywhere in the gated community.
Time out. Please. I'm
Let me finish. After that, you can.
I'm taking one second of your time. I was the person who requested on email that please regulate water supply from 6 to 10 in the morning, 6 to 10 in the evening. I am in for water regulation.
Very good.
Go ahead.
Okay, right. Okay, then it was regulated. Today's position. What is the water today's position? I will ask you, sir. What is the position? Okay. Today water is there.
అంటే కనుక వాళ్ళు వాటర్ పని చేయబట్టి సో కంటిన్యూ ఇస్తున్నారు. కెన్ వి హ్యావ్ సమ్
What
he said, regulated water supply morning and evening or notice some commitment కాదు సార్, మనం నోటీస్ బోర్డులో పెట్టాం. కాదు, నోటీస్ బోర్డులో పెట్టాం. నోటీస్ బోర్డులో పెట్టిన దాని ప్రకారం ఇస్తున్నాం. వాళ్ళు సండే అని చెప్పి ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇచ్చాం. ఉన్నాయి కనుక వాటర్ ఇచ్చాం. టుమారో డే ఆఫ్ టుమారో నాకు కూడా తెలీదు. తెలియకుండా నేను అట్లా చెప్తాను. రేపు ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇస్తాం. లేదన్నా ఉంటే కనుక మనం నోటీస్ పెడతాం.
सारे लोग अपना काम छोड़ के 6 बजे घर में आ रहे हैं.
Seriously.
पानी ही नहीं आया. 7 बजे पानी ही नहीं आया. 8 बजे पानी ही नहीं आया. We understand there is a drought situation across the country. We are not expecting the moon here. All you need to do is communicate that this is the problem. We can't supply water. You are saying we will supply water at 6. You are not supplying water at 7, at 8, and there is no communication. We come here. We spoke to Sarla in detail. She was very helpful, very caring, but there was no involvement from Mr. Water in charge. Is this how you fight a battle?
And then
Where do you
when
get the
we
water?
called,
The water is so muddy and
called
so
this guy,
yuck.
when we called this guy, what did he say? You know, I am busy, don't call me. Cut down the phone. I am busy, don't call me. Cut down the phone. Is it the way for a responsible president of a society or anyone else?
చెప్తాం. ఆ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది కదా,
in future,
And what is the problem in involving tenants? Are we uncivilized? Are we uneducated?
Are you tenant? Why? What is the problem with tenants?
One thing I have done.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, please, ma'am, please. Ma'am, lady.
First thing is, we all are civilized and educated people.
Except him.
Just a second, no, please.
No, please.
Let's respect others.
Yeah, sure.
Let's
ఎక్స్ట్రా
respect
మాట్లాడద్దు.
others.
షట్ అప్.
This is what started it. This is what started it. How dare you speak to my wife like this?
People are shouting from either side.
Exactly.
People are shouting from either side. People are shouting from either side. No, don't. Please sit down. Please sit down. You also don't shout. You also please don't shout. You also don't shout. You are unnecessary. రాజు గారు, రాంబాబు, you also don't shout.
Please sit down. One thing I will tell regarding the water. Please.
No, just a second.
Now the problem is
She has got something to say. She has got something to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Before even you
Uncle,
figure out
please.
what
Yeah, sure, please.
Sorry, kuch
Speak
uncle.
for 2 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead.
We all are civilized and educated people. By doing all such things, we are not doing anything but spoiling a bad name for our society. I'm sure everyone wants a good thing for our society, so let's not do it, okay? Let's separate it out into
I can sit, I'm telling you.
one is the incident.
Come.
One,
Where is comfortable? I want to draft some action.
Yes,
lovely.
So one is that the incident that has happened today, which is definitely, it seems to be very, very unhealthy. We can figure that out in the public. And second is the issues, the real issues which we have, water or any other issues, that we can do a proper process of that. Because that can't be resolved in this. Okay? No, just a sec. So now,
no,
as far as that incident is concerned, my thing is, all our educated people, I think both of sides, some issues have happened. They have shouted, you have shouted. It has happened from both sides. Let's say apologies from both sides and leave it. Take a lesson learned and leave it there. Please.
Now, what about the water? Can someone address the water?
Apologize and go home.
One minute. Let me ask this thing.
I want to apology from him side. He hit him and me. I bought a new phone, which he broke.
Please sit down.
We have a problem with
Sit down and talk.
Yeah, please sit down. Yeah, please sit down, madam.
I don't want to.
No.
Please. Then you please sit down on that page.
Madam, I want to talk to you. I came here for water problem. Now, if this issue is being aggravated, then it will be a different issue altogether. Please address water problem only. Between both of you, you discuss.
Shout at me.
I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting.
Water problem, I will take 5 minutes, sir. Because I am one of the MC.
I know that. I mean, seriously,
Yeah, please talk. Yeah. No, let him talk. You want to talk something, you please talk. You come and talk. You are elder, you come and talk.
Tell me what you want.
You are elder, you
I'm not saying that he hit a woman.
No, you talk. You are elder, you talk. Everybody is shouting. Water problem has to be resolved now. Yes.
I am one of the
I'll Chapali. No, please. Listen to me. Richa. The right to talk and what has to be addressed. That's all.
Both are there.
ఏంటంటే మీరు రికార్డింగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు అన్ని మాటలు వచ్చినప్పుడు
Do not deviate from water. Water has to be addressed.
Who will he hit the man? We need to talk about that.
Why is he going away? Water has to be addressed. Where is he? Why is he going away? Babu.
Can you talk to this person?
5 minutes I will take. Water only.
Can you address the people by talking about two different things? Yes. One is the violence that happened by this guy. That is one issue. Second issue is water. In water we can talk, we can resolve, we can bring in more options and ideas. Fine. The thing which happened today, the violence, he hit the people inside. We need to address that point right away. Who hit the people? Water can be taken afterwards. Not interested in what you're talking now.
What I understand is Payal and Arvind came with them. What's your name?
Shashank.
With him for some issue. And there was an issue between Srinivas ji and him. They both hit each other. And she was trying to separate them out.
Sorry. I was there. They told me to get out also. Okay, leave it that one.
Why is the question?
Because
we asked who you were in a legal entity because across the table you were sitting on the other side. And his reply was, I have no one here.
He is the one
I don't know that I have answered. His response was,
He is the one who takes care of water and all.
and then he told, you are the one.
No shouting, please. No shouting, please. No shouting. No shouting,
they
please.
told me that.
No shouting. No shouting.
Because you said that you are not on the board.
I told you that I am also resident.
We then come this side. And what we said to you was, then come this side. If you are a resident, then be with the residents. We said this.
But these
We said this. We all had a decent conversation tonight too.
What is his name?
Arvind. See, why is he speaking out of turn?
No, you cannot get him out. He is a member, like he is a owner.
Then please identify. I don't know. No. He said, I am nobody.
He said, I am no one.
He said, I am no honor.
No, he
said, I am no one.
I am no one. I told that.
Address the water, please.
Yes. I told that I will sit here.
We requested you to come in.
And we requested you to get out.
Why should you?
First you told me that get out.
Why should you come out?
First you told me
He is an independent.
Be with the residents.
He is an independent. He is also a resident.
That issue is up to him.
You cannot ask him to answer.